my channel, and today we are going to learn about the stem cells. These are very important as these cells divide into different cells and they're differentiated into your blood cells, into your uh, muscular cells, or into your different organ cell like cardiac muscles or the liver cells or the pancreas or the different one. So you might have known that when zygote there is a division in the zygote, or the cells in the zygote divide, they form an embryo, and then embryo has a different the cells are differentiated into different organs, into different parts of the body, you can say. So basically those are the like epithelial cells or the muscular cells, but they're differentiated into certain things. So why are stem cells important? Let's go into the detail in this video. So stem cells can be divided by mitosis an unlimited number of times. uh, you have lesser number of cells when you were young but now have more. So this is all because of the mitosis. So each new cell may remain a stem cell or may develop into a differentiated one or a specialized cell. For example, the blood cell, the nerve cell, the cells of muscles. The differentiation is actually the process of becoming specialized, like like in zygote or in embryo, all cells are like same, but they're still differentiated into the different cells performing different functions. And this ability of differentiation is known as potency. So there are three type of potency when we discuss this. Number one is the totipotent. What is totipotent? Totipotent is basically when a certain cell has can be differentiated into the embryonic or the non-embryonic one. For example, it can develop into the blood cell or other one, or it can develop into the placenta as well. So it can develop into both cells, both type of cells. While in pluripotent, only an embryonic cell type is going to be, you can say, a cell can be differentiated into only at the embryonic state, but not the extra embryonic one. While in multipotent, the limited range of specialized cells are formed, or and there comes a point when pluripotent is not applicable. So, if we want to just describe it, it's quite similar one. So totipotent is just like a cloning, or you can say it covers the differentiation of both embryonic or the non-embryonic one. While in pluripotent, there is only the differentiation at the embryonic cell, while a multipotent is the one which actually divides till a certain number of cell, or you can certain number of divisions. Let's go into the detail of multipotent to make it more clear. So the multipotent, it remain in tissue and organ, for example our liver cells or our cardiac cells or our blood cells, and they help in growth, in cell replacement, in tissue repair, unlimited division, but only produce a restricted range. Uh, you might have heard that your neurons, nerve cells, are going to divide up to a certain limit. After that, they're not going to reproduce. So, bone marrow stem cells, the blood cells only, and they can reproduce again and again. They are found in bone marrow, skin, gut, heart, or brain. So, in bone marrow, the red blood cells are formed and white blood cells. In skin, the epithelial cells, the gut one are the muscular cells, or heart one the cardiac, and the brain the nerve cells. So these different cells are formed. Now let's go into the application. As the stem cells has a tendency, or you can say has a bright future, as they can be differentiated into different organs, into different type of specialized cells. So scientists make a use of them, and they try to use this stem cell therapy in treating the certain diseases, or in treating the injuries, and even much more. So, stem cell therapy introduced the adult stem cell into the dermis tissues, and they are going to differentiate them into that one. For example, if we talk about the skin burns, and those if those stem cells are grafted with the skin that is burnt, so they actually divide. The healthy cells are going to divide, and they are going to cover that burnt area, and the skin becomes normal, like the other body parts. So it can be used to treat leukemia, which is actually the cancer related to your blood cells. So that can also be treated, as these stem cells have a potency or have a tendency to make the blood cells. So nowadays stem cell therapy is quite in wide use and worldwide use. Um, so this stem cell have a great importance in the differentiation of our different cells or the specialized cells of our body, and this is how we can use it. So this is all about stem cell. See you in the next video.